What's up, guys? Welcome to YouTube channel Cold Blooded. And pretty much, guys, you already know the title of this video. I'm actually talking about web development or game development. Which actually of these two fields actually, as a beginner, which actually you should go for. Guys, everything I'm going to say in this video are based on my personal opinion, so you can actually have a different opinion about it. So you can drop it down in the comment section below. So we're actually going to talk about web development or game development. Which of those two fields are like you actually want to go into as a career path in the future? So basically, game development actually, is more. I can, in my perspective, I can actually say game development is more fun. So game development, making games using languages like Unity, Unreal 3, so much stuff into it. So I think web development, it's actually pretty nice field. Web development is more like, I can't actually say more professional, but it's well, actually pro web development in terms of like gamers. It's more in demand in terms of like job wise or career wise. In terms of demand, like we got like companies like Google, Amazon, Airbnb, eBay, so much company actually high demand for developers, either as a front end developer or back end developer, maybe full stack if there is full stack developer. But game development, it's actually more. Yeah, all the so I can't really say solo. Actually, there are quite many teams. So if you're going solo, just basically yourself, you actually become like an indie game developer. Like an indie game developer actually means an independent game developer, like just you, like you have actually have a small team of game developers, not supported by any external body or big kind of sponsor like that. So game developer actually very nice, but I like another what you see kind of is that it's select laptop because you actually going to game development in a high depth. Actually, say your PC or laptop matters. So actually, I can have like either have like maybe I don't know, maybe a MacBook Pro, like a really powerful gaming PC, or at least a medium or budget gaming PC. So like me, I don't use a gaming PC. I'm actually using a very low end PC called HP Notebook 15. So in terms of web development, it doesn't have like a laptop preference depending on what stack you're going for. There's a front end or back end developer. But actually, can run on a lightweight PC. Don't really take more of your processor, like graphics, that kind of stuff. But it actually does. So, games to be good, depending on what kind of what type of dimension of game you're going for, 2D or 2D. But I think there's a time when your processor speed and your CPU matter. Like this laptop studio, it actually worked, but it kind of gave me kind of lag effect. So I tried to switch up to Visual Studio Code and use Android Studio to download the emulator from run the Android emulator so I can run my code on. So they are both very good fields to go into. I'm not actually discriminating between these two fields. They're very, very good fields for one to go into. But I'm just saying for beginners, especially if you ask me in terms of like budget and money, actually think in my perspective, web development is actually good to start because of like it's a little bit easy to access than game development. Why? Because there's so many billions, so many, I can't say billions, millions, gazillions of tutorials online, web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node, Django, Bootstrap, Materialize, and SAS, so much more of that web stuff. Game also has very good large community and video tutorials on YouTube, or a lot of free resources out there. So they are actually a good field to start with. I think if you actually have your personal opinion on this, it's actually really a short video. Just want to give out my opinion about it. So a friend of mine asked me that, hey, Ray, what development to game level, which one I should go for? If I actually had a very good gaming laptop or gaming PC, know that I actually go into web development and I should check it out. So I haven't actually dived into that field area yet. I'm just inside the web development slash app development kind of niche. So I can actually say web that it's not really bad. It's actually fun. It's I think it takes a lot of process. It's quite a lot of process, like the graphic design, the mathematics, the physics, and all that stuff, the logic and everything. So it's very, very nice. It's very lucrative too. But for now, as a beginner, I'm still sticking with web development. Maybe probably in the future, when I have a getting better high-end gaming PC, I can get into game development. So guys, if you have different opinion, comment, or some things I left out in the video which I should have said, you can leave it down in the comment section down below. And if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Like this video, please guys. Like the video, it helps the YouTube algorithm. Like the video, please. Comment and share the video out to your friends. And to them guys, I'm signing out and goodbye.